So what is going on, guys? Welcome to the YouTube channel. If we have not yet met, my name is Peter Roberts. Now in today's video, I'm excited to share with you guys the 5 most profitable stocks that I own in my current Robinhood brokerage account. Now I'm up around 120% year to date, and I want to share with you guys these 5 most profitable stocks that allow me to get to this point, as well as leave you guys with the 3 tips that I learned about investing your money, putting your money to work, and making more money with your money. So guys, in a second here, we're going to jump directly into my computer. I'm going to break down my current brokerage account, as well as reveal the 5 most profitable stocks that I own that you can own that can make you money investing in the stock market. Don't go anywhere. Let's go get it. So recently I just turned 22, and I was thinking back to the time that I decided to begin investing in the stock market. I heard so much hype around it. I didn't know what to do, but I decided to invest in the stock market around 4 years ago. Now looking back, I am so grateful that I made this decision, and more importantly, started putting my money to work. And now I just wanted to make this video for you guys to learn how you can start making money with your money, investing in the stock market, and how you can get great returns when you invest in great companies. Now before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, and more importantly have not yet smashed that thumbs up button, it truly means a lot and it goes a long way. So in a second, guys, we're going to be jumping directly into my computer, where I'm going to be breaking down the 5 most profitable companies that I own in my brokerage account, as well as how I'm using Robinhood to help me make more money investing in the stock market. So as you guys can see, we've jumped directly into my Robinhood brokerage account, and right now we're sitting around over $40,000 invested on this platform. Now for me, I'm grateful and more importantly thankful that I decided to begin investing at a young age, which has allowed me to build my account up at age 22. But more importantly and more exciting, we're sitting around a 119% return on my investment, which has brought a return around $22,000 with the money that I began investing in Robinhood. But now, guys, I want to break down the 5 stocks that have contributed, that have allowed me to receive this rate of return on my investment, so you guys can start making money investing in the stock market as well. And I have a return a little over $10,000 investing in Tesla. Now for me, my average cost is around $43.76. I have 15 shares invested in this company. But for me, I saw the traction, I saw the importance, and more importantly, I recognized the innovation behind Tesla. So I figured, let's invest in it. I bet a lot of money behind it, and as you can see, I have absolutely incredible returns on my investment. This is the most profitable company that I own currently in my portfolio, and a company that I'm going to continue to buy more of and continue to be an investor in. So the second most profitable company that I currently have in my Robinhood brokerage account is Apple. Now you've probably heard of this company, and for me, I've been a huge believer in this company. Then as you can currently see, they're sitting around $127 per share, which I believe is still undervalued. So I'm going to break down exactly how much of Apple I own, and as you can see at the bottom right here, we own a little over 25 shares of Apple. Over the past 3 years, I've been continuing to purchase Apple because I am a believer. I love everything that Apple does, and I believe that there's going to be a lot of innovation. As they've talked about having an electrical vehicle coming soon, it's just a matter of time as Apple continues to dominate the marketplace. So right now I've made a little over $1,800 investing on my total return investing in Apple, an absolute incredible return on my investment, and I have a current market value or ownership in Apple a little over $3,200. So over the long term, as you can see, Apple continues to progress. I've been investing in Apple for the past 3 to 4 years, and a great company that I'm going to continue to purchase more of. And as you can see, over the long term, Apple's stock price continues to grow, which just shows the strength of the company, which shows the innovation, and more importantly, that people like you and I continue to invest in this company and believe in Apple. So a company that I'm never going to sell, as well as I'm just going to continue to invest in. So coming in at third is a company that has given me great returns on my investment. You've probably heard of this. You might not be familiar with them, but it's Square. If you don't invest in Square, you're missing out on so much opportunity. I began investing in Square a few years ago because I heard the hype, and more importantly, a lot of credible sources that I was looking up to were talking about this company. And I still think today a lot of investors are talking about how this company is still undervalued and has the potential to have a lot of growth. And over the last 5 years, as you can see, $88, $58, all the way up to $272 today, this company continues to grow, and a company that has made me money. So I want to share with you guys, I own a little under 9 shares, almost 8.99 shares of Square, and an average cost around $104. But as you can see, a total return around $1,500 just with those 9 shares that I have in Square. So over the long term, I'm going to continue to invest in Square, a great, stable, a strong company that is taking control of how small businesses are getting paid, as well as taking advantage of how consumers are purchasing products through electric payments. Square is the company that I believe in, and Square, thank you for continuing to be a great company. I will continue to invest in you over the long term. You're not going anywhere. I can't imagine what your share price is going to be in the next 3 to even 5 years. So Square, congrats. You're an awesome company, and you guys should begin investing in them. Coming in hot at number 4 is PayPal. Similar to Square, PayPal is continuing to innovate with Venmo, as well as taking control of how consumers are buying, selling things, and as well as changing the way cash is in society. For me, I don't believe cash is going to be here much longer with Bitcoin, as well as with all these electric payment processors. PayPal is a company I believe in that has been here for quite some time and is very strong on the balance sheet and has continued to make me money investing in them. So I'm going to continue to invest in them. A great company. They've done me well, so I'm going to continue to just believe and bet on PayPal. So as you can see, their current share price is sitting around $281. Back in 2018 is probably when I began investing. Around $76, $74 was when I purchased my first share. So an incredible return off of my few shares that I purchased. And right now we have 10 shares in PayPal with a return on my investment a little over $1,500. So PayPal, an absolute banger of a company. I think they have a lot of room to grow, and more importantly, it's just a strong company that people believe in, and I'm going to continue to believe in. So my current market value, a little under $3,000 investing in PayPal. Just a stable company that I'm going to continue to invest in and continue to believe in, and they've obviously made me a lot of money. And as you can see, an 81% buy. Robinhood is ranking through the analytics and investors portal, I guess. It's telling you that it's a great company to invest in. So if you don't invest in PayPal, you might be missing out, or you probably are missing out on the growth of this company. And it's the 4th most profitable company that I own in the stock market today. And lastly, coming in at number 5, the most profitable company that I own in my current brokerage account is Zoom. Now, this is a company that I invested in the heart of the pandemic, and currently I only own 3 shares of this company, but I've had a great return on my investment. Now, with the 3 shares, I've made a little over $880, and this morning was around $900 investing in Zoom. The reason I began investing in this company was because I saw that colleges, businesses were all shifting in the way that they're going to be communicating and going to work and also learning online in 2021. So for me, I believe this company is still undervalued at $400 right now per share. I think it is still a great investing opportunity for anyone who wants to begin investing in this platform. But the problem is there is a lot of competition in this space that could affect the share price as well as the growth of this company. But I believe they're going to continue to lead that industry, continue to develop and find new ways to communicate online. And for me, I'm going to hold for the long term a great company that I invest in. So right now I have a market value of $1,200. I'm going to continue to purchase more shares. With just 3 shares at an average cost around $108, I feel like I've gotten a great deal when I began investing in these companies back when the pandemic began to start. But for the long term, I need to and I will continue to invest in Zoom. So guys, I hope this video gives you some clarity on the type of companies that I'm investing in, as well as how I'm continuing to get growth, as well as how I'm growing my portfolio at age 22. Now for me, making a little over $22,000 investing in the stock market has taught me a lot of lessons. So guys, I wanted to end this video on the 3 key lessons, the 3 lessons that I learned investing and putting my money to work when I go ahead and invest in the stock market. And the first thing that I learned was to understand that cash sitting in a savings account is dead. You are not getting any return on your investment when your money is sitting in a savings account. Unfortunately, you're actually losing money having your money in a savings account. Now for me, I always had my ego wrapped in of how can I save more money? How can I have my savings account go up? But I realized I was actually not getting any growth. So what I would say is to invest as little as you can or as much as you can wherever you are financially in your life into the stock market. Start getting a return on your investment. Throw your money into companies. See how the stock market works and put your money to work. If you want to start building wealth, having in a savings account is not going to be the answer for you. Now, secondly, was to learn that it's important to take risks when others are not willing to. Now, the reason I have these returns, or the reason that I was able to make money investing in the stock market, because I began my investing journey when others told me not to begin investing. Now, for me, I began investing in the stock market a little over 3 years ago, and the market was at an all-time low. It was the middle of December. The market was taking some heat, and people thought this was going to be a recession-oriented market. And for me, I decided to take advantage of this and start buying these companies at a discount. Now, what I learned through this philosophy, and also continued to purchase more companies and more shares during the coronavirus when the stock market was an all-time discount, is to take advantage of this opportunity. I've learned that over time, these great companies that you're investing in will rebound. The stock market will catch back up. So use this as an opportunity to buy things at a discount so you can reap the benefits, reap the rewards in your future from taking risks investing in these companies when others are not. And the third thing, most important, that I want to share with you guys is to think long term. There's a lot of investors, there's a lot of people, and there's a lot of friends that I know that are trying to make a quick dollar on the stock market, investing their money into assets that are going to make them money fast. The GME hype, the day trading, the option trading, all this stuff is very volatile. But for you to have growth, and what I'm thinking as an investor is the next 20, 30, 40 years, which means I have no intentions to sell the shares that I own because I want to have this upside. I want to build my portfolio, have this compounding wealth, compounding interest, grow my wealth for the future. And more importantly, I'm going to be a happy camper and glad that I did not sell these great companies, because looking back and investing in great companies for the long term is an excellent way for you to make money investing in the stock market, and a great way for you to build wealth no matter where you are in life. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I hope this video gave you clarity, gave you an understanding of the companies that I'm investing in, and more importantly, will launch your journey as an investor. Go out there, start investing your money. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, I'm here for you as always, guys, and I want to hear from you. Give me some feedback below. If you have anything that you need me to answer, DM me. I'm always going to be here to respond to your questions, comments, or concerns. As always, guys, I love you so much. I appreciate every single one of you for tuning in and watching this video. And if you have not yet subscribed, one more push, please subscribe to that YouTube channel and go ahead and hit that thumbs up. It goes a long way. I will see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Take care. Peace out.